Namaste. I'm Sam, and welcome to your day 1 of the 7-day Yoga for Weight Loss Challenge. Now, I know some people say yoga for weight loss is taboo, but let me be real with you for a second. If you feel uncomfortable in your own skin, if you look in the mirror and don't like what you see, if your weight is holding you back from feeling truly happy and confident, I want you to know that there is no shame in wanting to change. Yoga is not just about flexibility, it's about building strength, burning calories, and reconnecting to our true self. If losing weight is a part of the journey for you, I fully support it. That's why I created the 7-day beginner yoga weight loss challenge, 1 week of simple yet effective yoga flows designed to help you burn fat, tone up, and feel good in your body again. Today is day 1, and we'll be starting with a foundational sequence that will help you build heat in the body, increase your heart rate, and teach you the basic mechanics of alignment and postures. This is Sun Salutation A. When you're ready, we'll begin in child's pose. From a kneeling position, bring your big toes to touch and open your knees wide. Slowly sink your hips back toward your heels. Walk your hands out towards the top of the mat and gently rest your forehead on the mat. Feel your spine lengthening as you reach through your fingertips, keeping your arms active but relaxed. If your hips don't reach your heels yet, that's totally okay. Child's pose is a great way to stretch through the hips, lower back, and shoulders while also calming the mind. If you ever need a break during your practice, this is your go-to reset pose. Listen to your body and honor where you are at today. Taking a deep inhale. And exhale, nose or mouth, release it out. Inhale, make this one longer than the last. And exhale deeply, nose or mouth. Again, inhale, nose or mouth. Exhale, let it go. Last round, inhale, fill up the body. And exhale, let it go. Inhale, gently picking yourself up onto all fours, hands shoulder width apart, knees hip width apart, tucking your toes and pressing into your hands, lifting your hips high for downward facing dog. Creating an upside down V shape with your body. Spread your fingertips wide and press firmly into your palms, especially your thumbs and index fingers. Your heels don't need to touch the mat yet. Bend your knees if needed, but keep your spine long. Over time, your hamstrings will open up. Gaze in between the feet. Attention on the breath. On your next inhale, come up to the tippy toes, bend the knees, and baby steps as you look forward, walking your feet towards your hands. Once you get to the top of your mat, inhale, long, flat spine, halfway lift, hugging the core in tight, gaze is down at the top of the mat. And exhale, forward fold, straight or bent knees, chin into the chest. As you inhale, come all the way up, engaging the core while you do so, and mini back bend, reaching up and back, pressing the hips forward. Exhale, hands come to prayer center or down by your side. Next, inhale, mini back bend, reach up and back, open the heart. Exhale to forward fold over the legs, chin into the chest, drop the head all the way down. Inhale, long spine, halfway lift, hug the core in. And exhale, step back to plank pose. As you arrive, exhale the knees down, lift the hips high and lower the chest and chin all the way down to the mat, elbows in tight. Inhale as you slither your way forward into cobra, broadening through the shoulders, opening through the chest. And exhale, tuck the toes, press back into downward facing dog, fingers spread nice and wide. That was your first round of Sun Salutation A. Amazing job. 4 more to go. Inhaling to the tiptoes, bending the knees, baby steps or a couple steps up towards your hands. Once you arrive, inhale, halfway lift, long spine, crown of the head reaching to the front of the mat. And exhale, forward fold, chin into the chest, drop the head all the way down, bend the knees if you need. Inhale, engage the core as you reach up and back, press the hips forward, and exhale, hands come to prayer center or down by the side. Inhale, arms reach up and back. Exhale, forward fold over the legs. Inhale, long spine, halfway lift. Exhale, step back into plank pose. Inhale. And exhale, lower the knees, hips high, chest chin, lower, elbows in tight. Inhale, slither into cobra, broadening through the chest, pressing down through the hands. Exhale, tuck the toes, hips high, press back, downward facing dog. Round 2 complete. Feeling the heat building within the body, moving a bit quicker now. Inhale to the tiptoes, bend the knees, walk or step up towards your hands. Inhale, long spine, halfway lift, gaze is down. Exhale, forward fold over the legs, drop the head. Inhale, arms reach up and back, press the hips forward, hands go back, open the heart. Exhale, hands come to prayer center or down by your side. Inhale, arms reach up and back, press the hips forward. Exhale, surrender over the legs, forward fold, chin to the chest. Inhale, halfway lift, long spine. Exhale, step back into plank pose. And if you don't want to do knees down, you can lower halfway, make it a bit harder. Inhale to cobra, press down through the hands, broadening through the chest. Exhale, press back into downward facing dog. Round 3 complete. Inhale to the tiptoes, bend the knees, walk or step up towards the hands. Inhale, long spine halfway. Exhale, forward fold, Uttanasana over the legs. Inhale, arms reach up and back. Press the hips forward, maybe go a little bit further back. Exhale, hands to prayer center or down by your side. Inhale, arms reach up and back. Exhale, forward fold over the legs, surrender, chin into the chest. Inhale, long spine halfway. Exhale, drop the palms, step back to plank. Knees down or up for Chaturanga Dandasana, high to low. Upward facing dog, press down through the tops of the feet to lift the knees away from the mat. Exhale to downward facing dog. Round 4 complete. Feeling the heat building in the body. Inhale to the tiptoes, bend the knees, walk or step your way up towards your hands. Inhale, long spine halfway, breathe in. Breathe out, exhale, forward fold. Inhale, arms reach up and back, press the hips forward. Exhale, pull it into the heart or hands drop by the side. Inhale as deep as you can go back with feeling comfortable. And exhale, surrender, forward fold over the legs, drop the head, chin into the chest. Inhale, long spine halfway. Exhale, drop the palms, step back into plank. High plank to low plank. Inhale to upward dog or cobra. And exhale back to downward facing dog. 5 rounds of Sun Salutation A complete. But we're not done yet. Inhale into plank pose, strong. Exhale back to downward facing dog. Let's keep the breath going a bit more. Inhale, take it to the edge, plank pose. Exhale, downward facing dog. Doing great, just 2 more. Inhale to plank pose, strong through the arms, fingers spread wide. Exhale, press back, downward facing dog. Last one, inhale to plank pose. And exhale, drop the knees, press back into your beloved child's pose to reconnect. Forehead on the mat, hips drop back onto the heels, arms spread out in front of you. Taking a nice deep inhale. Let it go, nose or mouth, exhale. Inhale, gently picking ourselves up and coming into a seated position or sitting on our knees to conclude this day 1 of our 7-day weight loss yoga challenge. Bringing our hands to a prayer center, thumb knuckles on the heart. This week, I invite you to set an intention. Maybe it's patience, trusting your body's progress. Maybe it's self-love, accepting where you are while working toward where you want to be. Or maybe it's discipline, showing up even when it feels tough. Let this intention guide you through each movement, breath, and day of this journey. In yoga, we close by saying namaste, which means the light in me honors the light in you. It's a reminder that we're all connected. So as we inhale, our thumb knuckles and face up towards the sky, together we bow in the exhale and say, Namaste. This is just the beginning. I'll see you in day 2 for warrior poses, where we'll continue building on yoga foundations. If you're needing a little extra movement throughout your day, feel free to throw in some sun salutations from today. I'm so excited to be supporting you on your journey, and remember, my DMs are always open if you have any questions or just need a little encouragement. I'll see you for day 2.